Want to browse the web securely on Kali Linux using Google Chrome? In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Chrome on your Kali Linux step by step. Let's dive in. Before we install anything, it's always a good idea to update the package list. Open your terminal and run this command. Next, let's download the Google Chrome installer. Open your browser and go to the official Google Chrome download page, or you can use this command in the terminal to download it directly. The deb file will be downloaded to the current location. Once the download is complete, it's time to install Google Chrome. Use the following command to install the deb file. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Google Chrome by typing this command in the terminal. You can also find Google Chrome in your Applications menu. And that's it. You now have Google Chrome installed and ready to use on Kali Linux. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.